First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Moisturizer for face and body 6 ounces. About this item: head-to-toe moisture, a fast-absorbing, rich moisturizer in a light, whipped texture that provides instant relief and long-term hydration for dry, distressed skin and eczema with no greasy afterfeel. Suitable for all skin types, this hydration wonder leaves even the most dry, flaky skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and comfortable after just a single use, clinically proven to immediately improve skin hydration by 169%. Please subscribe, like, share, comment this video. Safe for sensitive skin, this hydrating face and body cream is non-irritating and is proven to be safe for sensitive skin. Free from alcohol, artificial colorants, artificial fragrance, lanolin, mineral oil, parabens, petrolatum, phthalates, propylene, glycol, sulfates, talc, formaldehydes, oxybenzone, coal tar, triclocarban, ethanol, ethyl alcohol. Dermatologist tested. Our cruelty-free moisturizer is also vegan, gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free, safe for sensitive skin and nano-free, and arrives in recyclable packaging. Amazon sales link: https://amazon/30wkq1x, or below updated Amazon sales link. Directions: apply to face and/or body at least twice daily or is needed to restore and soothe dry, uncomfortable skin. Ingredients: water, aqua, stearic acid, glycerin, C12-15 alkyl benzoate, caprylic capric triglyceride, glyceryl stearate, cetyl alcohol, Butyrispermum parkia, butter, dimethicone, squalane, allantoin, Camellia sinensis, leaf extract, caprylyl glycol, ceramide 3, chrysanthemum parthenium extract, colloidal oatmeal disodium edta, eucalyptus globulus leaf oil, glycyrrhiza glaber root extract, sodium hydroxide, xanthan gum phenoxyethanol.